Many people are looking for a solid bricks and mortar investment in a strong growth region of the country. Welcome to Eureka Village. Located on Dean Street in Queensland's city of Rockhampton, this outstanding retirement village, managed by one of Australia's largest village operators, the Eureka Group, is open for investment by the community. Smart Property Investment Magazine January 2012 says Rockhampton is primed for growth. Margaret Lomas, Chair of Property Investment Professionals of Australia, says this is a buy now and wait for 3 to 5 years for some action. The Matusik report suggests Rockhampton's Regional Development Corporation has identified 422 projects that are either under investigation, planned or under construction in and around Rockhampton and the Capricorn Coast, leading to $100 billion worth of development. And the Rockhampton Regional Council says the age group which is forecast to have the largest proportional increase by 2021 is the 65 to 69-year-olds, who are forecast to increase by 65.4%. Eureka Village is looking exceptional as a solid bricks and mortar investment. All of the lots have been configured as dual-keyed apartments, so you'll be able to derive 2 separate incomes. The property is close to all infrastructure, numerous shopping centres within 1.5 kilometres, bus, parks, and only 5 k's to the CBD of Rockhampton. So if you're looking for an investment with a low entry price of only $256,400 for 2 incomes and a positive set and forget investment, then Eureka Village is a great place to start. Call us today to discuss this wonderful opportunity.